What if we could create matter from energy? What if we could create something out of nothing? Science tells us that energy and matter are two sides of the same coin. But could we take pure energy, light, heat, or motion, and use it to produce real, tangible matter? Einstein's equation, E equals mc squared, reveals that energy and mass are interchangeable. Scientists have already experimented with particle collisions to convert energy into particles. Imagine the possibilities if we could refine this process to create entire objects or materials straight from energy. If we master creating matter from energy, it could transform life as we know it. Unlimited access to raw materials without depleting Earth's resources. Building structures in space using harvested cosmic energy. The implications are endless and awe-inspiring, limited only by our imagination. These ideas are not just for dreamers. Every scientific breakthrough starts with curiosity, experimentation, and determination. As future innovators, you have the power to bring humanity closer to harnessing these possibilities. What will you create? Dive into physics, explore bold ideas, and let your curiosity shape the future. Follow us for more inspiration, and start discovering the universe's greatest secrets today.